Don't download Oura Ring Sleep Tracker app before watching this. Before you download the Oura Ring app, here's what most people miss. It's not just a sleep tracker. Oura provides heart rate, readiness, activity, and sleep analytics, but without context, data can be misleading. Step 1. Define sleep and wellness goals. Are you looking to improve sleep quality, recovery, or overall health? Most people get this wrong by focusing only on scores without behavior changes. Step 2. Wear the ring correctly. Proper placement is key for accurate readings. The surprising truth is, a loose or misaligned ring can skew results dramatically. Step 3. Track activity alongside sleep. Oura's readiness and recovery scores rely on both rest and activity. Ignoring activity data reduces insights. Step 4. Analyze trends over time. Look at weekly and monthly averages rather than single nights. Teams that focus on one night's score may misinterpret patterns. Step 5. Adjust habits based on insights. Modify bedtime, activity, and recovery routines. Users who ignore recommendations often see little improvement. The upside: proper Oura use can enhance sleep quality, recovery, and overall wellness by providing actionable insights and motivating behavior change. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you wear it correctly. Track activity, analyze trends, and adjust habits based on insights. For casual users, simpler sleep apps may be enough. Subscribe for guidance on making wearable sleep trackers truly effective.